Welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to let you know that there is a good deal in case you are looking for a cloud hosting. And then in that case I will tell you that what are the best options. I have purchased cloud hosting from hostmydomains.com, so you can also purchase it. And if you want to purchase, you can use my discount code where you can get 50% on any annual plan. Okay, so why I picked this up, because the first thing is cloud hosting. So cloud hosting is more faster than normal any hosting which you pick. The second thing is I prefer to you should go for Linux hosting. So they also have a WordPress hosting, but you need to understand when you are using Linux hosting, in that case you can use multiple things, or you can host multiple type of application in a Linux hosting rather going for a cloud hosting. They have a similar sort of backend in the sense they have a similar sort of servers which are providing the services. So I have purchased this one, which is Linux Unlimited. So I'll show you what exactly it works. So you can see all the things are unlimited in this. And most importantly, I've seen that has load balancer. What means the load balancer is, what happens is, in case your website requires more traffic, more bandwidth, so in that case they will automatically scale your hardwares and the memory, RAM, or storage of that particular domain or hosting which you have purchased. So automatically the performance is going to be good, right? The second thing is you are also getting a global CDN, which is content delivery network, and most powerful edge caching. So the load speed of your website will be good. And plus we can also see that there is a DOS protection is also there, which is 1 TB plus. So that is again a good thing in your website. If you have a DOS protection, it really helps from attackers, right? So if I go down, we have some more features. You can go ahead and have a look. I'll share the link right in my description. So it has a sitemap generator as well, which is very good. Con jobs, you can create free wildcard SSLs, which are good. So you are getting free SSLs, and in some of the cloud hosting you need to pay SSL charges for each and every domain. So again, if you want to buy this, so it has a great opportunity where you can really go ahead and buy, and you get free SSL for each and every domain which you add in. So it can support Python, it can support curl, perl, right, and PHP, definitely. So directory indexing is also there. Multiple versions of PHP version which it supports, up to 8, which is good. And overall I think that this is a good package, and if you want to go with, then definitely it is good. So let's say I do a order now, and what I need to do is I need to put my domain name. So what I will do is I will put AIK support, or I will put a dummy domain aiksupport.com here. I'll click use. So in that case, you can see it gives me like $12 per month. So the discount which you want to use, or coupon code which you want to use, that can only work in annual plan, right? So right now you can see it is having $140. So what I need to do is, okay, so what I will do is I will try to add the promotion code, which is ask joyb. And if you use this promotion code and click validate code, so you will get a 50% discount. So if you but you need to understand that you are picking up annual plan. So now you can see it says that you have a 50% discount. So in $70 you are getting a very good deal, I believe, right, to go ahead and pick this up. So now you need to create your account, fill your details, and after the checkout, either you use PayPal, and you need to enable this receive emails, and then you need to go check out, and automatically your domain and hosting is going to be registered, and you can use it right away. And you also need to update your name service, which details you will get once you log into the portal. So this service is very good. So in future videos, I will try to create more videos on managing, and in the back end, basically how you need to manage. And I will also try to show you that how you can use the control panel. So hope this video is informative. And if you want to purchase the cloud hosting, I believe this is one of the good This is one of the good product which you should go for, and Linux cloud hosting, which I recommend you should go for, and go for the unlimited plan. And at this moment, I have the coupon code which you can use and get 50% discount right away. So thanks for watching, and hope this is informative. And I will try to shoot out and share more videos like this. Thank you.